Introducing Tesla's unboxed assembly technique. Tesla is known for its innovative approach to car manufacturing, and now it's set to revolutionize the industry once again with its new unboxed assembly technique for the upcoming $25,000 electric car. This groundbreaking method will see different sections of the vehicle assembled simultaneously in dedicated areas of the factory, before bringing large sub-assemblies together in the end. This approach is expected to potentially halve production costs and require around 40% less space than traditional car factories. Elon Musk has described this new manufacturing approach as revolutionary and far more advanced than any automotive manufacturing system in the world by a significant margin. The affordable Tesla model is expected to debut by the end of 2024 or early 2025. Experts believe that this innovative technique will significantly reduce manufacturing costs, allowing Tesla to produce vehicles at a lower cost than ever before. The implementation of the unboxed assembly method is a testament to Tesla's commitment to pushing the boundaries of automotive manufacturing. Stay tuned for more updates on Tesla's game-changing approach to car assembly.